For years, surprising behaviors often emerge in nature. Sometimes our perceptions of animal interactions may not match the actual story. One such intriguing story involves a rabbit biting a snake. In one video, the rabbit bites and jumps at the snake, kicking it several times. Even once the snake starts to retreat, the mother rabbit chases it all over the backyard. In another video, the snake lunges at the rabbit, but the rabbit jumps and dodges the snake's bite, responding with well-timed stomps.
What is this rabbit doing?
The snake continues its attack, attempting to bite the rabbit, but the rabbit skillfully avoids each attempt. It seems the snake manages to get a bit of the rabbit's fur, but after a series of agile jumps and maneuvers, the rabbit successfully chases the snake into the brush. This behavior might seem unexpected given the usual predator-prey dynamics in the animal world. This behavior aligns with the observations made by scientist Michael Pearce, who conducted extensive research on snowshoe hares in the boreal forests of Canada. Pearce's study, published in 2020, revealed that snowshoe hares, traditionally viewed as herbivores, occasionally consume meat when food is scarce. This showcases their versatility in survival strategies. The rabbit's daring attack on the snake can be seen as an extension of this survival instinct. While it's rare for rabbits to exhibit such aggressive behavior, this incident highlights the complexity of animal interactions and the hidden capabilities within even the most seemingly docile creatures. The rabbit biting the snake shows the idea that survival in the wild often involves a blend of courage, adaptability, and a touch of the unexpected. This often leaves us in awe of the hidden dramas playing out in nature every day. And did you know that the hares feast not only on snakes, but also on several species of birds? During snow, they also feast on dead Canada lynx, their main predator. But why is the rabbit able to attack a snake fearlessly? Well, there are many mysteries to uncover about this little creature, so ensure you stick around until the end to discover the surprising truths about rabbits. Rabbits are of a different species and have different characteristics, appearances, and behaviors. One of the most beloved rabbit breeds is the Netherland dwarf. The species originated from the Netherlands. These rabbits are known for their small size and typically weigh between 1.1 to 2.5 pounds. Another breed that stands out due to its unique fur is the Angora rabbit. Originating from Ankara, Turkey, these rabbits are primarily bred for their wool, which is softer and warmer than sheep's wool. The snowshoe hare is another fascinating species, famous for its seasonal adaptations. Unlike most domestic rabbits, the snowshoe hare is found in North America. The lionhead rabbit, known for its mane-like fur around the head, was developed through crossbreeding in Belgium and named for its resemblance to a lion's mane. The Holland Lop is another beloved rabbit breed, renowned for its affectionate and friendly nature. Originating from the Netherlands, these rabbits are easily recognized by their floppy ears and compact bodies. The Flemish Giant is a rabbit breed that stands out for its impressive size. The rabbit originated from Belgium. As one of the giant rabbit breeds, it can weigh up to 22 pounds and measure up to 2.5 feet in length. Aside from their diverse species, rabbits are known for their exceptional reproductive abilities. A female rabbit can begin breeding as early as 3 to 6 months old and has a gestation period of 28 to 31 days. Each litter can contain 1 to 12 kits, and a doe can produce multiple litters yearly. This means that mama could hypothetically have 1 litter per month if she is constantly with a male rabbit. Most of us are familiar with the estimate that one cat and her offspring have the potential to bear more than 40,000 cats in 7 years. But this impressive number pales in comparison to what a rabbit can produce. Here are those numbers for sharing and scaring. One breeding pair of rabbits and their offspring can create nearly 4 million rabbits in only 4 years. Here's how the math works. We're assuming 6 babies per litter, 3 male and 3 female. Litters can be as large as 14, so 6 is a conservative assumption. Now let's assume mother rabbit will have the maximum of 1 litter per month. Year 1, one mother gives birth to 3 female babies per litter for 12 months. equals 36 female babies at the end of year 1. Year 2, 37 mothers give birth to 3 female babies per litter for 12 more months, equals 1,332 female babies at the end of year 2. Year 3, 1,369 mothers give birth to 3 female babies per litter for another 12 months, equals 49,284 female babies at the end of year 3. Year 4, 50,653 mothers give birth to 3 female babies per litter for yet another 12 months, equals 1,872,792 totally female babies at the end of year 4. Add in an equal number of male rabbits because, remember, we started with the assumption of 3 male and 3 female rabbits per litter. This brings us to our grand total of 3,745,584 rabbit offspring from one breeding pair over 4 years. This rapid and prolific reproduction allows rabbit populations to recover quickly despite high predation rates. In Western cultures, rabbits are often associated with fertility and new beginnings. This symbolism is most prominently seen in the celebration of Easter, where the Easter Bunny delivers eggs, a symbol of life and rebirth. This connection to fertility can be traced back to ancient pagan festivals celebrating spring and renewal. In contrast, Eastern cultures, particularly in China, view the rabbit as a symbol of longevity and good fortune. However, the remarkable reproductive rate of rabbits has also led to ecological challenges. One of the most notable examples is the rabbit overpopulation in Australia. In the 18th century, European rabbits were introduced to Australia for hunting purposes. Without natural predators to control their numbers, the rabbit population exploded, causing extensive damage to the native ecosystem. Rabbits compete with native wildlife for food and shelter, leading to the decline of many indigenous species. Additionally, their burrowing habits caused soil erosion and the destruction of crops. However, measures were implemented to manage this crisis. The construction of the rabbit-proof fence, completed in 1907, was one of the first large-scale attempts to control their spread. Another major effort was the introduction of the myxomatosis virus in the 1950s, a disease specifically targeting rabbits. While initially effective, the rabbit population began developing resistance to the virus. And did you know that rabbits are typically herbivores, as their diet primarily consists of various plant-based foods? Their preferred diet includes grasses, leaves, vegetables, and hay, rich in the necessary fiber to maintain their digestive health. Hay in particular is a favorite in a rabbit's diet because it helps wear down their continuously growing teeth and ensures proper gastrointestinal function. Fresh vegetables such as leafy greens like romaine lettuce, kale, and parsley are also essential. They provide vitamins and minerals that are needed for their survival. One fascinating and essential part of a rabbit's diet is something called coprophagy. This means that rabbits eat their own poop, specifically a type called cecotropes, or night feces. This might sound strange, but it is super important for their health. Cecotropes are packed with nutrients that rabbits need, and by eating them, they can absorb these important nutrients more effectively. Cecotropes are soft, nutrient-rich droppings produced by the cecum, a part of the rabbit's digestive system where fermentation of fibrous food occurs. Cecotropes are softer and more clustered than the more complex, dry fecal pellets that rabbits produce daily. They resemble small bunches of grapes and are usually produced at night or early morning. The process of coprophagy allows rabbits to redigest these cecotropes to extract additional nutrients that were not absorbed during the first pass through the digestive system. This second digestion provides them with essential nutrients such as B vitamins, vitamin K, and proteins, crucial for their overall health. This behavior might seem unusual or even unappealing to humans, but for rabbits it is a critical part of their dietary routine. Without coprophagy, rabbits would miss out on these vital nutrients, which may plunge them into deficiencies and health problems. It's also interesting to mention that rabbits cannot vomit, as their digestive system is designed to move food continuously in one direction, from the mouth through the intestines. This unique system means toxins or indigestible materials must pass through their digestive tract. As a result, Rabbits are particularly vulnerable to digestive issues if they ingest something harmful. It's fascinating to learn that rabbits have significantly advanced our understanding of various diseases and the development of treatments and vaccines. They have played an important role, especially in virus testing, where they've been extensively used. Their physiological similarities to humans make them valuable models for studying infectious diseases and evaluating the efficacy of vaccines and antiviral drugs. For instance, rabbits have been instrumental in studying the human papillomavirus, HPV, which can lead to cervical cancer. Researchers also use rabbits to study the virus's life cycle and develop vaccines to prevent infection. The success of the HPV vaccine can be attributed in part to early research conducted on rabbits. Beyond virus testing, rabbits have also contributed to cardiovascular research. They are used to study arteriosclerosis, a condition characterized by the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. By observing how rabbits' bodies react to high cholesterol diets and other factors, researchers can better understand the mechanisms of this disease and develop treatments to prevent or mitigate its effect in humans. Similarly, rabbits are valuable in the study of ocular diseases. Their large, enduring eyes and similar anatomical structure to human eyes make them ideal subjects for research on glaucoma, cataracts, and other eye conditions. This research has led to advancement in surgical techniques and the development of medications that have improved the quality of human life for those with vision problems. Did you know that rabbits are crepuscular? This means that they're most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is an adaptation to avoid predators, as these times of day offer lower visibility. Being crepuscular also allows rabbits to take advantage of the cooler temperatures and reduced competition for food. Rabbits are also social creatures in the wild and live in groups called warrens. These warrens are complex networks of burrows that provide safety, shelter, and social interaction. Living in a warren helps rabbits maintain social bonds essential for their mental and physical health. Social interactions within the group include grooming, playing, and establishing a social hierarchy. For domestic rabbits, companionship is equally important, and they often thrive better when they have another rabbit or regular interaction with their human caretakers. Now, when it comes to the rabbit's fearless ability to attack a snake, it is a remarkable display of survival instinct and adaptability. This rare behavior highlights the hidden strengths and unexpected capabilities of these creatures. Often perceived as timid, rabbits possess an inherent resilience that enables them to confront dangers head-on when necessary. This resilience typically emerges when rabbits face danger, need to survive, or aim to protect their young. Mother rabbits in particular can be fiercely protective of their babies. Since newborn rabbits are weak, slow, and helpless, with their eyes remaining closed for nearly a week after birth, this makes them easy prey for many predators. Diana Krempel from the University of Miami recounts an instance where a mother rabbit fiercely protected her baby against a predator snake. The rabbit fought back, attempting to disembowel the snake by biting it, rolling onto her back, and kicking it away. These insights into rabbit behavior and biology enhance our appreciation for these creatures and show the importance of understanding and respecting their natural habits, whether in the wild or as pets.